I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Display Settings quickly. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once done, identify which monitor is labeled 1 or 2 so you control the right screen. You should also check Orientation, Landscape versus Portrait, and confirm Scale is readable. Make sure to have admin access if changing system settings, and keep Windows updated so display drivers behave predictably. This gets you into the control panel you need without delay. You now change resolution and scaling to match each monitor. Select a display, pick the recommended resolution for best clarity, and then set scale to 100%, 125%, or 150% depending on text size. Once done, click Advanced Display Settings to verify the refresh rate. Higher values reduce motion blur for games and videos. If text or icons look blurry after scaling, try signing out and back in, or adjust scale. You finish by configuring how multiple displays behave. Choose Extend to span desktops, Duplicate to mirror, or show only on 1 or 2. Arrange displays by dragging their icons to match physical layout, and set the main display for taskbar and start menu. Apply changes and test with a window drag. If things go wrong, flicker, black screen, wrong resolution, update the GPU driver, or roll back to the previous one. That single troubleshooting step fixes most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.